What's going on, people? Got my hands tattoo. No tattoo, just age spots. Pew! So what do I have in front of me? A case. So this case is a Lykus case. There we go. And this is one of my preferred go-to cases. I just recently got another Mini 5 Pro and I needed a case for it. And Lykus has sent me cases in the past and I've talked about them. And they are a case that I have gravitated to and prefer over any case out there, basically. Pelican actually are nice cases as well. But for drone-specific cases, Lykus is my preferred case for a lot of reasons. So let's go ahead and open this thing. This is the Lykus Titan MM510 hard case for the DJI Mini 5 Pro, and we'll open it. So there we go. Let's get it straight. Pop it open. You can see nice little buttons to press. So we're gonna, there we go. Open this guy up, and there we go. So we have the ability to have 7 batteries in this case. Oh, come on, little guy. There we go. So 7 batteries this case can hold. It can hold an RC Pro or the RC-N1. It has the ability to expand with this foam that can be removed. I have a ton of props in here, so no issue with having a little storage area down there. You can keep the hub. So I got the hub with some extended batteries, but as you see, you can put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 batteries, little storage compartment. If this foam ever does get beat up, you don't have to buy an entire new case. You could buy replacement foam from Lykus, which is a really great thing, so you could save some money. This case I got off of Amazon, and I wanted to buy it to show a little support. Francis, who I believe owns Lykus, is a really nice guy and has helped me out in the past by sending me some stuff to try and sample and give away. But $39.99, not a big deal. It's a pretty easy purchase and a really great case, and I'm pretty sold on it. So the foam is nice too because it has a little give but rigidity too, and it fits nicely. It's not too hard to take the drone or the drones, depending on what model you have, in and out of the case. So we have this little area for the hub. There we go. And yeah, I mean, the product may, because of the foam, have a little odor to it. Don't freak out. I am not a big fan of a lot of odors and scents, but that's me because I'm really hypersensitive to this stuff. But all you have to do is keep the case open or take the foam and sit it outside for a second and just kind of let it breathe, and the smell will go away quickly. So they have great support, so don't leave bad reviews. Give them some love. And if you do have an issue, just contact Lykus, and they're really great at taking care of you. So we can put this guy, I mean, I got a ton of props in here, so probably like 20 pairs of props or 10 pairs of props, so 20 little packets. We can set this guy back in, and pretty good to go. So again, can hold a filter case too, props. It can hold the RC-N3, the DJI RC2. I think I said RC Pro 2. I meant RC2. So with the joysticks on, so that's good. You don't have to fumble taking the joysticks on and off. 7 batteries total, and waterproof, I believe, to a certain extent. But a hard case is really the way to go. You look more professional carrying this thing to a job than a little bag, in my opinion. A bag may be helpful at times, or a backpack or something if you're just going and cruising. But when you're on a job, it's a lot nicer to go ahead and pull out something that looks official and the part. And yeah, you know, boom, boom, boom. And Lykus case for the win. I'll put my affiliate link in the description below, but for under $40, it's a great case. They're a great company, and I think they're honestly one of the best cases out there. So for my Mavic 3 Pro, that's what I use. For basically any drone I have a couple older cases that I just rock out because I had them, but if I'm buying any new cases for any new drones, Lykus is definitely my preference. They're not paying me to say this. I would buy these cases regardless of anything. And again, just perfect for what it is. They carry what they need to carry perfectly and safely, and it gives you that added protection. I don't know why this guy's, there we go, put shut up. Okay, it needs to kind of, there we go. It's a brand new case, so boop, boop, boop. But just a quick little video on a case that I would go to for the DJI Mini 5 Pro or my Mini 4 Pro or whatever it may be. I don't have a Mini 4 Pro, but when I did have one, I had one of these cases. So that's about it. I'll try to read a couple little specs just in case you guys want to know a teeny bit about the specs. So yeah, it can hold 7 batteries, charging hub, charger, cables, filter set case, propellers, and more accessories such as the RC lanyard, internal protection, CNC precision, cut unibody foam, is made from a special type of EVA, which is more elastic than traditional die-cut EVA to provide better absorption of pressure and shock. The surface of the foam insert is scratch resistant. So yes, when you go ahead and put your stuff in some of the cases that have different foam, sometimes it can be really hard to get in and out. You feel like you're going to damage your props or your drone or gimbal or whatever. So for whatever reason, Lykus definitely is my preference. As I said, I'm not having a reason to do this video. I just want to do it to show some love and share with you guys a case brand that I think is where you need to go if you're wanting a case for any one of your drones. So really that's about it. I know it's IP67 watertight, so apparently keeps it safe even if it drops into the water, sand or mud, etc. And that's about it. So really, aloha guys. Lykus cases for the win. I'll put my affiliate link, as I said multiple times, in the description below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And you can buy this, I believe, I don't even know who sells them exactly, but Amazon is usually my go-to for that, or Lykus website, which I'll put a link in the description below for their website too. And that's it, guys. Peace. Aloha. Bye.